What up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out the channel. I'm back in the garage working on the PF2 pit bike build. Got some parts came in, so go ahead and throw those on. And while I was off camera, I went ahead and wired in this engine. Spliced it all in, shortened everything, got it all neat, tucked away. I'm gonna run a mud flap and I'm gonna put the ECU in the back here. But I had the hubs come in. This is the rear here. Wow, that shit looks great. Front, come on. Pretty premium. I got a set of Excel rims. I haven't even taken those out of the box. I don't want to scratch them until I build the wheels. That'll be in another video, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna go ahead and throw the grips on, throw the levers on. I got the carburetor in. I'm gonna run a Nibby 26 millimeter. So, and I just got the boot in too for that. So we'll go ahead and mock the carburetor, the boot, and the air filter up, and see how much clearance I have on the exhaust down here. It's gonna be tight. I went ahead and put that grip on off camera, but I'll show you guys the procedure for this side. A little bit of isopropyl rubbing alcohol down the hole, wipe it out with the microfiber, and then spray a little clear coat in there. And the clear coat acts as a lube, and then when it dries, it turns into like a glue basically, but it's not so locked on that you can't take it off, so works out pretty good. Go ahead and put this side on. Hell yeah, got the grips on. We'll go ahead and throw the levers on, get the foot pegs mocked up, and then move on to the carburetor. But, oh man, this thing's looking good. Better and better all the day. That is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna order anodized red triple clamps to match. And also these are 45 millimeter instead of 45/48. So they really limit me with what kind of forks I can run. I want to swap these guys out because they're only a 12 mil axle, and I want to put some nice fancy forks on there for this fancy bike. So that'll be in another video. I haven't ordered that stuff yet, but moving on to the foot pegs. I got these stainless steel foot pegs off of Amazon. Only problem with them is the foot back here is not big enough, so I don't know if you can see on camera, but they're pretty droopy. So I gotta get creative with welding some kind of foot back here to keep them to stay level. Go ahead, bust the welder out, get that done, get both sides to match. All right, I went ahead and cut out a couple matching spacers off camera. Busted the welder out. See what kind of beads I can lay. I just bought this welder like a month ago, so don't be expecting anything crazy. All right, got the left side welded up. Grinded it down a little bit so y'all don't make fun of my welds. Let's see if I can do this one here. That's how the pros do it, baby. That looks great. Nice and level. Time for the right side. All right, got that all welded up. Go ahead and throw this side in. See if I can do both of them with one hand. Oh, come on. There it is. It's pretty good. Go ahead, throw the springs on them. Little pin or mint. All right, got those bad boys installed. Had to dig into my spare parts to find a spring that will work, because the stock spring, here it is. Massive, dude. I don't know who could squeeze that, but that guy's huge. The one I ended up using is a quarter of the size, and it's plenty strong enough, so I'm not really sure what they were thinking, but Now that's done, we go ahead and put this carburetor right there. I got the carburetor in, and it looks like we're gonna have just enough room on the exhaust, just about a finger's worth. So hopefully it doesn't melt this air filter, but if it does, I'll have to get creative with some heat wrap and whatnot. But that's gonna be pretty much it for today. That's all the parts I had come in really, so order some more stuff and see you in the next video.